itchy, honey.
Good enough?
Maybe you should get the bird again.
It's okay. That bird's not gonna hurt you. It's okay. Here, your peanuts are right here. You're good. It's okay.
Peanut too.
I know the bird likes the peanuts. That's why I think I'm in the middle of a turf war.
Where'd the bird go?
Off to eat them? He won't eat them here. Not yet, anyways. He landed on the garbage can and stared at me for a good 5 minutes.
What?
Did you just call her fish breath? You're funny. There's... Just shutting the door. Spaz. You're such a spaz. Come on. It's okay, sweetheart. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, No Ears. This is my first encounter with No Ears. Never met her before. She's an old broad. But she seems to have scared little V off. There you go. Oh, that's not the A8, that's not. Here. Let's move this.